In this video, we're going to review how to perform the crab reach. So you're going to set up, sitting nice and tall, knees propped up. To have the arms here, you're going to rotate as far back as you can so that the fingertips face away from the toes. Now try not to slouch. Again, stay nice and tall, nice and long. Now the arm that's going to be supporting you, for this one we'll say our right side. Opposite side, you're going to have elbow connect with the knee. From here, the goal is to bridge our hips towards the sky. The arm is going to extend up and over towards the back wall. So we're going to start with a deep breath. As you exhale, bring the hips high. Arm reaches up and over. Head looks directly at the bottom hand. Bring it back in. So I'll show you on the opposite side. Right arm connected to right knee. Sitting up nice and tall. Inhale first. Exhale up. Now, if you need a variation, you can't quite get to the full crab reach. What you can do is just start with the arms behind and just practice bridging in this position. So feet firmly against the ground, pressing through the palms, extend through the hips, hold this here, bring it back down. And that's perfectly fine. As you get comfortable, then you can start doing the single arm reaches.